What do you do every day? I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I turn off my alarm. I turn off my alarm. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I open the curtains. I open the curtains. I make my bed. I make my bed. I stretch at home. I stretch at home. I check my phone. I check my phone. I go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I take a shower. I take a shower. I dry my hair. I dry my hair. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I moisturize my face. I moisturize my face. I drink a glass of lukewarm water. I drink a glass of lukewarm water. I water the plants in my garden. I water the plants in my garden. I take the rubbish out. I take the rubbish out. I go for a jog to stay fit. I go for a jog to stay fit. I wash my car. I wash my car. I prepare breakfast. I prepare breakfast. I have healthy breakfast. I have healthy breakfast. I take vitamins. I take vitamins. I pack my lunchbox every day. I pack my lunchbox every day. I put on makeup. I put on makeup. I spray perfume. I spray perfume. I get dressed. I get dressed. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. I leave home at 7:40 a.m. I leave home at 7:40 a.m. I go to work on foot. I go to work on foot. I drive my car to work at 8 o'clock a.m. I drive my car to work at 8 o'clock a.m. I start working at 8:30 a.m. I start working at 8:30 a.m. I start studying at 8:30 a.m. I start studying at 8:30 a.m. I usually working on the computer. I usually working on the computer. I take a lunch break. I take a lunch break. I have lunch. I have lunch. I take a lunch break. I take a lunch break. I finish work. I finish work. I meet friends for coffee. I meet friends for coffee. I go home. I go home. I cook dinner. I cook dinner. I have dinner with my family. I have dinner with my family. I clean up after dinner. I clean up after dinner. I read a book. I read a book. I play games. I play games. I do household chores. I do household chores. I check the weather. I check the weather. I brush my teeth again. I brush my teeth again. I turn off the lights. I turn off the lights. I fall asleep. I fall asleep. What time do you wake up in the morning? Write in the comments.